Hi, I'm Miki Farmer, and today we're diving into a life-changing guide that's all about reclaiming control of your time, energy, and peace of mind. Imagine waking up each day knowing exactly how to tackle your goals, balance work with your personal life, and still have time for what really matters. Sounds impossible, right? Not anymore. Welcome to the powerful insights of Organize Your Mind, Organize Your Life by Dr. Paul Hammerness and Margaret Moore. Let's explore how to train your brain to get more done in less time and reduce stress while doing it. So, part one, the problem our world is disarray. We live in a distracted world. Social media notifications, endless emails, and multitasking. These are just a few culprits making it harder than ever to stay focused. But here's the kicker. It's not the technology or the chaos around us that's the issue. It's how our brains process and respond to this overload information. The authors compared this to the human equivalent of software bugs. But don't worry, you are not doomed. You can reboot and reprogram your brain. So Dr. Hammerness and Coach Meg argue that true organization begins in the mind, not at your desk or in your calendar. And that's where their revolutionary rules of order come in. So, part number two, the solution, the rules of order. The foundation of this book is built on 6 key principles. What the author calls rule of order, these principles leverage cutting-edge neuroscience and practical coaching strategies. Let's break them down. Number 1, tame the frenzy. Life feels chaotic because our brains are wired to react, not to reflect. The first step to organization is claiming your inner turmoil. Techniques like mindfulness, breathing exercises, and breaking tasks into smaller chunks can transform your mental state from chaos to clarity. Number 2, sustain attention. Did you know your prefrontal cortex is the key to focus? The authors highlight how cultivating habits like single tasking, yes, ditching multitasking, and setting up distraction-free zones can help you stay on track. Number 3, apply the brakes. Self-regulation is a superpower. Learn to recognize when you are not about to lose focus, or maybe when you're about to lose focus. So you have to know and understand when you are about to lose focus and when you are not. So it's easy to focus on whichever one you are. So, and develop strategies to pause and reset. Simple techniques like labeling your emotions or stepping away for a moment can make a world of difference. Number 4, more information. Organizing isn't just about storing data. It's about making sense of it. Tools like mind mapping or visually grouping information can help you better understand and recall what matters most. Number 5, shift sets. Flexibility is crucial. This rule teaches you how to transition smoothly between tasks and roles without losing efficiency. Think of it as switching gears in your brain. Number 6, connect the dots. Finally, the ability to see the bigger picture is what ties everything together. By connecting these separate pieces of information, you can find meaning and stay aligned with your long-term goals. Let's speak about part number 3, real-life applications. What makes this book so powerful are the real-world examples that show these principles in action. Take Jill, our research scientist juggling deadlines, meeting, and personal chaos. By creating a simple launch pad for her keys and daily essentials, she eliminated the frantic search that used to derail her mornings. Or Gathering, a busy executive who replaced endless multitasking with focused time blocks and reflect moments during her daily runs. These aren't just theoretical fixes, they are actionable strategies that work. And I'm telling you, before you proceed, with this audiobook summary, I would encourage you to subscribe to this channel because we bring these informative audiobook summaries every single time on a regular basis, weekly basis, or daily basis. Part number 4, coaching meets science. One unique aspect of this book is collaboration between a psychiatrist and a wellness coach. Dr. Hammerness brings in depth neuroscience insights, showing you how your brain functions under stress and focus. Coach Meg, on the other hand, provides step-by-step methods to implement these insights into your daily routine. Together, they have created a framework that is both scientific and practical. So part 5, final thoughts and takeaways, and this is what I would like you to focus on. The takeaway: you don't need to be born organized. By understanding how your brain works and adopting these 6 rules, you can create a life that feels less stressful and more fulfilling. Whether it's achieving work-life balance, improving your relationships, or finding time for your passions, this book is your roadmap. As you embark on this journey, remember that transformation doesn't happen overnight. Start small. Pick one rule and commit to practicing it daily. Over time, these small changes will compound into big results. So if you have enjoyed this summary, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Miki Farmer, for more life-changing insights. If you're ready to dive deeper, I highly recommend grabbing a copy of Organize Your Mind, Organize Your Life. Let's train our brains, tame the frenzy, and take back control one day at a time. Thanks for listening, and I will see you in the next video. Signing off, Miki Farmer.